very unfortunate, no? I think very unprofessional yung ginawa niya sa amin, na pinaasa lang sa amin na sabi niya he's going to win it. After the rain or shine game na lost namin, he didn't practice anymore. Wala na eh. Keso he has to rest his foot. Tapos sinabi niya may pump stomach siya. Tapos ngayon, sinasabi namin, you have to come to practice and be a professional. And then, the PTs will treat you kung ano yung ano niya. Pero ang niya, hindi doon niya kaya. So, ang sabi naman niya sa amin, he just needs rest and he'll play today and he'll make sure he's 100%. Tapos kanina, kinakatok siya, alas 2 ng 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The driver was there, pero hindi siya sumasagot. Nagkasalubong sila, I'm here, I'm just gonna wait for you, sabi ng driver. Then he went up to his room and locked the door. Wala na. Hindi na maano. So, totally unprofessional, and I think he left us hanging. Wala man lamang kaming abiso na hindi kami nakapag-prepare na hindi siya lalaro. So, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa total 180-degree turn. He was a nice person before, but after that, ewan ko nangyari sa kanya. Hindi ko rin alam. And hindi dapat pwede palagpasin to yung mga ganyang attitude. Hindi ko pwede. Maraming repercussions for this. Okay, sa mga players, sa management, sa coaches, sa mga preparation na. Very unfortunate. Talaga nabigla kami talaga sa actions niya for today.
Coach G, pero yun nga, sa mga nagawa niya the past few days.
Kinonta ko na. So, because of what happened, I was forced to get in touch right away with Benny. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung hablo kay Boss Robert, kung ganyan ang gagawin sa atin, might as well call Benny right away kasi hindi pa siya tapos dun sa mga exit interview niya. Meron pa siya mga exit interview. But I told him, come over, tapos kasi may understanding kami. So I'll try to fly him in as soon as possible. Na-disappoint kami todo kay Justin Patton. I thought he was a real professional. Turns out, hindi.
Pero si Benny ba nakaplano or talagang US?
He was in the radar. Ang nangyari kasi, di ba, hindi siya pwede because of his commitment. In fact, ang sabi niya sa akin nung nag-uusap kami, he still has an exit interview.